Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. I hope you guys had a good week. And I know I said I will go ahead and reveal the 900 Beautiful Wildflower giveaway, and I'm going to do that. But before I do that, I do want to share with you one of my favorite boxes. It's by the Dermstore, and it's called the BeautyFix. And so if you're interested in those couple of things, please do stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. Well, it's been a bit, right? It's been a spell. Is that how they say it? Yeah, and it has been a while, and I have missed you guys so much. And yesterday's video, I was like, oh my God, I gotta make this video because I missed them so much. Believe it or not, I feel like I'm actually talking to you guys, and I can hear you guys speaking back to me. I know, sounds crazy, right? But what can I say? Anyway, I don't want to draw this out, but I do want to show you one thing, and there's a couple of people that have, well, more than a couple of people mentioned it. When I went to visit my artist friend a couple of weekends ago, I was going to pick up a piece of art. And you guys said, well, I'm looking forward to seeing it. I never showed it to you. I put it right up on the wall, and I didn't show it to you. And it's not, I didn't put it here. I put it like in my family room because it is beautiful and I want to look at it all the time. And so I'm going to go ahead and share this with you. And this is actually, she's actually a pretty well-known artist up here in Northern California. Her name is Rona. And she used multiple mediums here. And I mean, she used cheesecloth. This is relatively acrylic. She actually used plant leaves. And I mean, this is just an abstract form. It has a lot of texture. And this is what I love about it. Let me see if I can get it closer so you can kind of see. And it is very unique. And she named this piece Solitude. And I love it. When I saw it, I was like, oh, that's beautiful. And I went to her studio actually to visit, to say hi. And because I met her through my my weekly Wildflower, what is that? It's a meetup group, right? And so I met her through that, although I haven't been having that weekly because we've been kind of busy with all the, you know, holidays and everything. But yeah, and her name is Rona Foster, and she's actually like I said, a local artist, but she's pretty well known. And she actually teaches. She's retired now, but she does still teach. And so yeah, I just want to share that with you guys because I know you guys wanted to see it. I'm like, God dang it, and I keep forgetting every time, so I had to take it off the wall so I don't forget. So that's that. And so that's 3 things, right? So okay, I lied. Okay, let's see. We are going to do the quick quote affirmation. And here's my app, and let's go. Okay. Whoa, that's small. Okay, here it is. And let me see if I can, I'm not even sure it doesn't focus for you guys. So let me just go ahead and put it on my glasses. My gosh. See? I'm out of practice with my recording. Okay, what does it say? Okay. Never cut a tree down in the wintertime. Never make a negative decision in the low time. Never make your most important decisions when you are in your worst moods. Wait. Be patient. The storm will pass. The spring will come. And it's by Robert H. Schuller. Huh. Very interesting. This is actually true though, right? I mean, a lot of times we make hasty decisions when we shouldn't. And when we're not at the best. And so we make poor decisions when we, you know, make those decisions during our anxious times while we're going through anxiety, or maybe we're sad. And we just, you know, it's not a good time to really think, because anytime you make decisions that are important, you need to be at 100%. Right? In a state of mind. And a lot of times if I'm making very important decisions, I do a pros and cons, and I get stickies and I put them all over the wall, and I look at it, I step back and I look at it and then make my decisions. But I don't do it when I'm in a bad mood or in a depressive mood. Well, I'm rarely ever in a bad mood, but still, you know, if I'm not happy about something. So yeah, this is a very good suggestion. So I'm going to give it a heart. Okay. All right. That's that. And, I'm going to go ahead and open the BeautyFix. You guys do know this is $24.95 a month. And if you don't, you do now. And it is one of my favorite skincare boxes. And it is from Dermstore, and I usually get really good products from them. And now you guys know I've gone down really down on my boxes, and I'm being really responsible and what I actually still get, because I did some calculations. I wasted a lot of money. Enough said. Okay, we're here for the unabashed love of skin. Yes, and by BeautyFix by the Dermstore. And you do get at least one full-size products, and they're usually very good products, and they'll also throw in a couple of samples. And it looks like they did that this time. And these samples are by SkinCeuticals. It's triple lipid restore, and it looks like what does it do? It restores your lipid barrier. Okay, there's a couple of those, and that's nice. And then, oh, I've seen this before. Lumivive System, Lumivive Damage Defense Serum, and Night Revitalize Repair Complex. I have used this, and it's pretty good, but I do have a very strict skin regimen, so I'd like somebody else to try. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in a future giveaway, okay? And what this does is it's for all skin types, and it's a clinically proven serum, provides the biobarrier against environmental aggressors, including light, pollution, and damaging rays, okay, that age your skin. So this is for AM and for PM. So, but it's pretty good because it's in a tube. I don't want to open it because last time I did, the tube came out and I couldn't get it back in there really good. And I want to give it, okay, here we go. So it's a decent size for you to try. And there's enough here for like a month. I mean, you don't use a lot. These serums go a long way, okay? That's that. And the next one here is the Smooth and Supple Lip Mask Melt. Smooth and Supple Mask Dermalect. Oh, I know that company as well, Dermalect. I like their product. Matter of fact, I think I had one of their chapsticks I really loved. So I'm really looking forward to trying this one. Yeah, okay. I'll keep this one. And the next thing here is by Clarity. And this is the Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizing Cream. I like that. Feel better. Okay. Daily apply a liberal amount over your skin. Oh. Skin Defense SPF 30 when needed. Oh, does this have SPF? Oh, no, they're saying put that on top of it. Okay, so there you go. And this is a hyaluronic acid. It's plastic. It's cute. And you know what? Since I'm going on a trip here soon, next week, I'll go ahead and, take this with me. That's nice. And then it looks like there's one more thing, which is full size. Usually their full size is really nice. And this is a hyaluronic acid serum with plankton extract. There you go. And it says formulated with 4 different forms of hyaluronic acid and moisture binding plankton extract. This serum provides superior hydration to improve skin texture and reduce the lines and wrinkles. One application helps lock in hydration for up to 5 days, ideal for most skin types. It's fragrance-free, sulfate-free, paraben-free, and free of all artificial dyes. Wow, okay. I'm going to go ahead and open this up real quick. I think I will use this because I like plankton products, and that's kind of like what lives in the ocean. I don't know if you know that. It's like a, not a bacteria, but it's kind of like an algae. So, oh, this is nice. It's on a nice little foamy thingy. Okay, ooh. Oh, and this is full size. Look at that. Very nice. And it is in glass and it is opaque, which I like a lot. And so, you know what? I'm not going to try opening it. I'm sure it's one of those pump things. So, okay. Yeah, not bad. Like I said, this is full size. And I bet you the price, they don't give me the full size full price for the full size one. But I venture to say this is going to be, above $45. And so, yeah, I really love this box. And I love trying different things like this because sometimes hyaluronic acid, I will change. I have tried, I usually use either Paula's Choice or The Ordinary, but I have had hyaluronic acid that I really like that I do rotate out because sometimes your skin gets used to certain products and it just doesn't do anymore. And then so that's when I kind of like kickstart it, and by using something different, but something just as effective. But like I said, this is probably expensive, so it's not probably something that I'll continue to buy a lot if it doesn't, go far away. So yeah, that's it, guys. And I know you guys are looking forward to seeing the actual giveaway. And so I'm going to go ahead and insert that clip But I'm going to go ahead and start another giveaway now for those of you who did watch through this part of it. And instead of rushing over through to the giveaway. And so let's make the BeautyFix. 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 One word. Okay, that is going to be the keyword, and this will be a skincare giveaway. And I think I have some really, really nice skincare that I've been saving full size, like The Ordinary and things like that. Being that I make this decision just on a fly right now, I don't have it to show you. But trust me, it will come beautifully packaged in a box, priority box, coming at you. And by the way, I went to the post office today and I sent the giveaways to the people that I owed it to. So yeah. It's been a busy day, but that's okay. But now, guys, give me a drum roll. Okay, here is the winner. Let's go to commercial break. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, the moment a lot of us have been waiting for, and this is finally the giveaway reveal for the 900 Beautiful Wildflowers giveaway. And I launched this video on December 9th of 2021, and it's been a while, so we should have a pretty good bank of people who participated. And I did finally reach 910, but I've dropped back down again to 909. But you know what? I'm going to go ahead and do this, and with confidence that it's not going to drop below 900. So what I've already done is I've already entered the YouTube video URL up top here. And as I said, this is from December 9th video. And then I filter for duplicate users to make it fair. Everybody have one chance to win. And the next thing I did was filter comments based on a specific text that I gave you, and which was gratitude. Gratitude. And I hope you guys spelled it right. And we're going to go ahead and get how many comments is here and how many people participated. So here we go. Okay, we have 67 unique comments. And now what we need to do is hop on over here. And then we're going to start the raffle and pick the random winner. So are you guys ready? All right, here we go. Okay, Michelle Richardson. What she had to say in the comments is, congratulations on getting closer to 900. So happy for you. I always love watching your channel. Your videos are relaxing, calming, and uplifting, and also fun. Very wonderful giveaway. I am sure whomever wins, they will be truly blessed and hopefully show much gratitude for your kindness. Take care and have a wonderful weekend. Okay, well, Michelle, guess what? You're the blessed one today, and congratulations. And we need to do one more thing, which is to verify that you are actually subscribed to me publicly. And so let's go ahead here and let's see if I can see. I gotta go all the way to the bottom. And sometimes, you know, if it's not too many people, I'm able to see me. But, you know, sometimes I zip right by, I still see it. But I'm like, okay, I have to do this. It's all relative. Here we go. Okay, we're at the bottom. And we're going to do our famous Command F. Okay, and we will go ahead and put HAUTE MODESTY. Okay, enter. And I do not see it here, but that doesn't mean anything. You guys remember, sometimes I have to go through this. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to delete go backwards because sometimes it's because of something that was there before. Okay, I still don't see, but that's okay. And we are going to go ahead and look in another way. And like I said, it is the September 9th video, so we're going to look at the comments. And we will look for Michelle there. And I have had to do this many times before, so no worries. And let's go ahead and look for Michelle. And there's going to be tons. Too bad I can't just shortcut this part of it. You probably could, I just don't know it. Okay, let's see. I don't want to zip by. We know there's 67 comments at least. So, patience. And if I go by, I know you guys are going to be yelling, oh my God, you just went by it. Okay. And I know there's at least one person out there saying, there it is, there it is. And we just went by that person. Okay, let's see. Michelle, where are ya? Okay, finally, I did go right by you. Okay, and this is where I will find it. And it says here, publicly subscribe to you for 5 months and allows everyone to see their subscription. So see, even though we weren't able to find it the other way, and it happens normally, she is verified. And congratulations, Michelle, it is official. And let me get back to regular programming so I can celebrate you properly. So here we go. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers, and congratulations, Michelle. I'm so happy for you. That was 900 beautiful wildflower giveaway, and you won it. And just remember, guys, if you have not won it, that's okay, because I have 1,000 coming up, right? And that's going to be even bigger. That is a huge milestone giveaway, so that's going to be a large priority box, and that holds a lot of stuff, okay? And so, also, Michelle, don't forget, within 48 hours, contact me either by using Instagram, Haute, Haute, .modesty, and DM me there with your address. And also, you can use my email address, which is at the very bottom of every detail tab in my videos, okay? Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers. If I added any value, please hit like. And those of you who haven't subscribed and you like this type of content, please consider subscribing by using a button that looks like that up there, but it's down there, okay? And ring that bell so you know every time I upload a brand new video. Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers. I want you to have a good day, a good night, a good week, or good weekend. Whenever you're watching this, that does not matter. Unless, of course, you're trying to win a giveaway. Okay, so, as I always say, in a field of roses, be a wildflower and never spit the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. All right, guys. Sorry that this post is so late, but today I was so busy, and I usually, record this on the day before, but I've really been busy today. I'm getting ready for my trip, and my husband took me to Summer Winds, which is a local nursery, and I picked up some more plants, and so, yeah, and of course I had to go to the post office and ship a couple of those giveaways that was made during the week, and I wait till the weekend to go to the post office in person. So yeah, it's been really crazy. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are okay. I know COVID is really nuts out there, crazy. So yeah, just keep a positive outlook, and know that this may be your new normal, but it's all right. And thank you so much for spending your time with me, okay? I love you all, for reals.